In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stream PS5 on Discord. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, open the PS Remote Play app and connect it to your PS5. And after that, open Discord, and in Discord open any voice channel, and then here go on this option, share your screen, click on it, and from here select the PS Remote Play screen. And after selecting, you can customize this setting as per your own choice. You can select how much resolution you want, the frame rate, and after that click on go live. And now you can see that we are streaming the PS5 here. So you can adjust this how you want, and this is how you can stream your PS5 on Discord. Thanks for watching.